Yeah, that was in VIP.
80s. I'm an 80s child. Talk up to me now, Soldier.
So the Minister of Agriculture has said he wanted he wants unclaimed money in the banking sector to establish a development fund that will provide funding for ganja farmers and other members of the small and medium-sized enterprises sector. So he made this announcement while he spoke at the CANIX Jamaica Business Conference and Expo in Montego Bay last week. He says, we'll have $15 billion made available immediately. With a B, 15 billion. He says his recommendation to the finance minister, he was the former finance minister, the prime minister and the government is that they should create a special development fund with $15 billion targeted to the small, medium enterprises sector, including small farmers in the cannabis sector. Unclaimed money, 15 billion. What that mean? People have money in the bank and they don't go feed?
Yeah.
They don't feed people money, them don't want to go feed.
Well, they actually published something in the paper to say if you have these unclaimed funds and they put names, amounts.
What do you mean by unclaimed funds? What
so
that mean?
if your money has been, there's a specified
so if it's
period
been there
of
for
time,
over a period of time.
Yeah, and you never make a transaction, them not send an activity on the account.
Then what happen if me don't want to touch my money and I just put down my money?
Well, you go and make them know say
don't touch my money.
Don't touch my money. But so it's
how long is the time? You know how long is the time?
I'm not sure. Is it 7 years? I'm not sure. I'm not sure of the time.
$15 billion.
But it's been a while that they've been saying this. People, if you have funds in the bank, go to the bank, go to the bank, go to the bank, go to the bank. But we have a little paranoia thing in Jamaica, you know, when they say if you have funds, go. You say, I'm not going, I tax them, I got tax my money. Go. If you don't go, the money is going to be used.
You know, I lost some money like that once, to be truthful.
In the bank?
Yeah. It was a US
account.
Know,
you mean like Sheffield?
No, it was a US account, and for some reason, I don't know.
It's got dormant and they just keep it, yeah.
And I never know nothing.
But the bank also tells you, depending on which bank, that your account will go dormant. I don't have a problem with it if it's going to help the small and medium enterprises sector, because the small and medium enterprises need money. My challenge to the finance minister is don't take this money and then subject the small and medium enterprises to the same thing where they're already facing, which is they cannot access capital.
By the way, Mr. Shaw was also saying that this is not unique to Jamaica. It happens in other countries. If you don't claim your money to government, take it, including the United States.
Yeah.
All right. The next one? What's the next one?
PEP. So PEP has been pushed back until March 2019. I think initially it was originally scheduled to be done in December. So the National Parent Teachers Association,
good news,
the JTA, everyone has been saying it can't happen, it can't happen. So now the minister has accepted that it can't happen in December.
And he's pushed it back.
And he's pushed it back to March.
Do you know that when the Brazilian coaches were here, they called me Pep? You know why?
No.
Pep Guardiola.
Pepper?
Guardiola, the coach of Manchester City.
What? Jeez.
So them used to call me Pep too. Them say me a big coach.
Simoes used to call me Pizza.
And Simoes call me Berts.
Tell you why.
Simoes call me Berts because I couldn't say Bertis.
Yeah, he used to call me Pizza.
Yeah.
When him just come to Jamaica, I call him there to get an interview, and him think it was the pizza people. I call him about him order. So yeah. So Pep.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, we'll hear more about that.
Yeah, the ability test will be conducted in February, and then the curriculum-based test is going to be held in April. So apparently there are 3. So it's the December one that's pushed to March. But you still have the February one and the April one to do.
All right. Continuing in education, the ministers also said that the CSEC exams, you could do it online, he says, in 5 years. He says they're really doing marking online, and all CSEC exams are likely within the next 5 years to be online, he says. So that means you never go to school, go get yourself ready for it.
Yeah,
What that mean?
I don't know. Because...
Or you still go to school, but the exam will... I mean, no.
Yeah, but I don't know if we have the capacity for every CSEC student access.
Well, he says in 5 years.
Computer to do it online.
Well, he says in 5 years, so hopefully by then.
We're coming like, yesterday I talk about a country where it's a one child per household. And then the people on the side say only boy picnic them are going to have. And now those boys have grown up, them have a woman for married too.
Which country that now?
China. They're having an issue with finding partners, I hear, for it. So Go
help them out.
You're an idiot.
No,
you're an idiot.
You're an
idiot.
You're a people person.
No, you're an idiot.
You know.
So it sounds nice to say, you know, you're developing at the pace of the rest of the world and everything's going to be online, but in 5 years' time, everybody are going to be... I don't know about that one, yeah.
But in 5 years... You know, the rate of technology, in 5 years' time, you can just go so and do every single thing. Well, yeah, you just go so.
We hope
because, you know, they have phones now, watches now that you hook up to your phone, that you can get your message and you can send messages. And so after a while, the phone, you just go and see people that talk, and them have nothing on them, and you wonder who them talking.
Well, the minister is saying that the National Standards Curriculum will have to incorporate online teaching and learning, so everyone will get with the technology and prepare themselves to navigate 21st century and beyond, and that they soon be required to take some aspects of the exam online as part of the hub.
Yep.
Well.
All right, this final one, I don't know if it is still, because this story was last evening when it says the Bog Gorge was closed because the water was above the bridge. I don't know if that's still obtains, but that was last night. Look at that, boy. The gorge is still an issue.
Yeah.
And they were saying that the Barry route was at the time was also impassable.
Wow.
So they were suggesting that you use Sligoville or the North-South Highway. So again, that was last night, so I don't know if that
has improved since this morning.
I don't know if it improved since last night, because I think that story was about 7:30 when I heard it last night.
That's crazy. Look at the gorge.
Yeah, look at the water.
Oh, will it rain fall, man?
Yep. In certain places, because I was at school yesterday, where I hear some thunder, so I said, well, we're going to have plenty rain, and we never got any. It was a whole pat thunder down at St. George's, so in other areas, there's a suspect.
Oh, man. Anyway, Sheffield area in the fallen, man. Is a demon,
no, you take a set from the bridge in this.
It's a demon, man.
No, I'm going to find you know. But I'm happy that you're telling me something.
Did you know yesterday was National Boyfriend Day?
Not August.
Oh, you mean not August?
You mean National Boyfriend?
Yeah, so last week they had National Daughter Day. And they had National Sunday.
So you know, so
yesterday was National Boyfriend
you don't send
Day.
Me nothing.
I couldn't find your picture to put it up on social media.
Maybe you couldn't find it.
Many people, I was joking, so many people couldn't find a picture to put up. Jamaica Twitter, that's usually so very active. Boy, it's like everybody going in a coma, but I don't blame them. American people drawn out and put up my picture.
National Boyfriend Day.
National Boyfriend Day. I told Sakina I was looking for a picture of X-Style to put it up. Because I the one, if I would have survived, I put up a picture up. I couldn't find it.
And you didn't put me up?
I couldn't find a nice picture of it on it. But remember, Nikki Z did have you up, you know. Remember, Nikki Z did have you up one time. So really, she's supposed to put up your face.
No.
I mean, no. And you come back and brag on Nikki Z have up your picture?
Then you could put up my picture too.
Okay. I hear you.
I'm good like that.
I hear you.